Hello, everyone. Do you have a vacation rental? We'll match you with the right tenant. Start by going to the Listings section in your dashboard and choose the unit you want to list, or click plus Add Listing to create a new one. Next, check the property details, such as amenities and features. Upload high-quality photos and add a detailed marketing description. Don't forget to highlight your property's best features with ribbons. Choose a color and title like Brand New or Pet Friendly on TenantCloud, or create your own. Ribbons catch the eye and highlight your rental's best features. The best part? They're free. Add all necessary lease details such as rent, deposit, available dates, and lease duration. Fill out the pet policies and disclose if pets are allowed. Choose if you want to receive applications online, and then select the screening package directly on the Listing Wizard form. Select whether or not you require your applicants to pay an application fee and specify the amount. Update or change your contact information. Choose where to publish your listing. Your personal listing website, which you can set up for free with your TenantCloud account. Syndicate it to our partners, which include Rentler, Realtor.com, and Apartments.com, and more for free. Or publish it to the whole Rent.com listing network, which includes popular listing services such as Rent.com, RealtyStore.com, Redfin, and others for an additional $30. Done! Your listing is posted. You can list another property if you want, or go back to the list. Did you accidentally exit the listing form? No worries. We have 3 statuses: listed, unlisted, and draft. If you didn't finish listing, your unit is saved as a draft, and you can return at any time and continue from where you left off. And it's incredibly easy to list an unlisted unit. Just click List and specify the availability. As soon as your unit is listed for the first time, you can always view info or make updates directly from the listing details page, even if the unit is not listed. Additionally, at the bottom of your listing, you can see who listed or unlisted the unit if it was done manually. After your listing is posted, view and follow up with all potential leads in your Leads tab, and even invite them to apply online. Want to rent your property even faster? You can attract 50% more potential leads for just $30 with our advanced listing syndication. Easily screen and move in approved tenants right from their rental application page and start collecting rent online. Ready to put your listing, screening, and leasing process on autopilot? Get started today at TenantCloud.com.